Hello guys, welcome back to another episode. So today we'll be showing you around Mbare. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like guys. So on this video guys, it was very difficult to shoot. People from Mbare guys, they don't wanna see cameras. I think that's why there are less videos on YouTube about Mbare Musika, because these guys, they don't wanna see anything. Camera, even a cell phone, they don't wanna see you taking pictures or do anything. Some of them they love it, but some of them, guys, we were threatened here. Mbare Musika guys is very big and it got everything that you can think of. Be it onion, those ones you see, they are onion. They are not white, but they are like purple onion. They taste so nice if you put in the salad. Be it in salad, if you want to put with the soup.
No. I hate those wives. They are very
Of course, you must have money. Ugandan women are
Yeah, wait. Zakanyasoita red. Not tudiki.
Tudiki ndo tonyanyowawa.
Yeah, tudiki ndo dzino. So, apa munongosanganisa, munongogreta dzese kana kuti
Here in Zimbabwe, we call it millipede. Sometimes Uganda. Yes, I'm telling you. So it's millipede. Uganda and Zimbabwe, we almost sound the same. So there are different types of terere. We have got this one, okra, and that one leaves. Yeah, the
This one is okra, guys.
But you are the Rastas.
I have no idea.
You know, they always say not everyone who has dreadlocks is a Rasta. I can be a Rasta without dreadlocks. Being a Rasta is a transformation. Yeah, it takes a lot.
So, do you eat meat?
Yeah. So it's a process, actually. Yeah, okay.
Thank you, boss.
Okay, thank you.
Mawuyu.
Yeah, insurance Mawuyu.
So in Kenya, in Nairobi, and in Tanzania, they call it mapuya.
It's okay. Yes, okay.
Mapuya. For them, they mix.
What about this one?
Blackberry, mango, and different. But this one is sour. It tastes like tamarind. Yeah,
Insurance
what about that one? What is that? It's called what?
These ones are these ones.
They are these ones.
Yeah.
Oh, now I remember. I remember. We just export from Kenya. Oh, really? Yeah.
Section for the clothes. That one was for the.
You know what I've liked about Zimbabwe? The clothes are very affordable.
Yeah, they are very affordable. Because the site also sells second-hand clothes. Range from even 50 cents to $3 most. Yes, if you get them here. But
Yesterday we even found the outfit for $2.
seriously,
Don't think?
okay. This
They are like pots, but they are not pots.
kugeza miri shana Rwanda kugeza miri futhi mamebo.
All right. Aiwa, thank you so much.
Put a locker here.
Oh,
So
then you
that-
put a locker.
Yeah.
Then you
So-
open. Then water flows.
You lock so
No, this one is for safety so that people don't open.
Oh, so
open,
this is
yeah.
for saving money.
Yeah.
so yeah, for saving the tip. So
Oh, for saving the
no one
tap.
don't
Oh, no one to open
to
it.
open it.
To use your water.
Use your water.
Yeah.
Ah, oh wow.
So put a locker here.
Guys, silverfish. Yeah.
Yeah,
You know, in Uganda
Zimbabwe.
we have Lake Victoria.
Okay.
Yeah. And the source of the Nile is in Uganda.
So
how
here in
much
Zimbabwe
is
they are
this
matemo.
one we call it korokoro.
Okay.
This is $5.
$5. Okay.
This is $10.
$10.
$2.
$2.
$10.
Ah, okay. There are some who even fry it.
Yes.
That's how we prepare the things.
So this is dried fish, guys.
Eh?
Tiger.
Tiger?
Bottle fish.
Bottle fish?
This one is tiger fish.
That is tiger. Why is it called tiger? Is it a tiger?
I think it's because it's scary, this one.
Okay, it has the shape of a tiger. Okay. Like then this one?
That's the one.
Bottle fish.
What I eat. So you don't have salt fish? Okay. So how much is this one? $5. Then the tiger? $5. It's much affordable. Very affordable.
Trungo showcase at the market, mdala.
Market.
Yeah. I am a bear one.
This type of millet. How are you, Mama? You're beautiful. Yes. You're beautiful. Yes. God says He made you in His image, so you're beautiful like Him. Yes. Yes. You look like Him. Yes. They're not peas. Are you
This
sure?
one
Are you
is
for real?
okra.
100% sure.
This is okra.
Yeah, this one is.
Oh, these are the seeds of okra. Oh,
And also
God.
have the pumpkin.
Yeah, these are pumpkin. Oh, thank you so much, guys, for bringing me to this market. Now I've learned something. Hello, Papa. How are you? You're good, Nakadini. Now I'm. Here you have to be. Why don't you have this small pineapple? Our pineapples are big. You know, Uganda is the country with the best pineapples. How are you? Nakadini. Bill for us, we want to eat. We want to test your pineapples to see.
You don't have change. How much are they going for?
So these two,
It's okay.
$1.
I think we can
The other
eat
one,
first, then
You can just get one. So where do I get change?
it doesn't have to change.
My guy is cutting the. We call it nanas. Even you nanas. I wish I had also cash. A good support.
So this one is live in Mbare, guys.
Yeah.
Ndara, what's the name of the band? Ndakangan?
Gonora Sounds.
Gonora Sound.
Honora South Band.
Yeah, Gonora Sounds. Yeah.
Okay.
So we are about to listen.
So time to be entertained. After being abused and harassed in the market. Now we guys,
We have to listen to
tell
music.
you, the struggle YouTubers go through. Guys,
So now we are live
you
in
can't believe
Mbare.
what we went through. You're gonna watch my video. You will hear what the guy will say. Go back to your country. You're not allowed to. You're not allowed to film here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, it's very, very unfortunate. But you know what, guys? Me, I'm a jolly girl. I'm a jolly girl. Even if you abuse me, I still laugh. I still laugh. Honestly speaking, I still laugh. I don't care. Time is out. You don't know how much.
He's now in the car.
I